and welcome back to Baking by Leah. This week I'm going to be making a cheesecake-filled Easter egg. The first thing I'm going to do is split my Easter egg in half. I'm using a Cadbury's Easter egg. I have also boiled some hot water in a kettle and placed my knife into it. Once my knife is hot enough, I'm going to take my knife and I'm going to run the hot side, I'm going to run it round the little cut of the egg. In my bowl, I have 75 grams of digestive biscuits. I'm going to use a rolling pin to crush them. If you wish, you can use a bag to put your biscuits in and crush them. I'm now going to add some melted butter into my digestive biscuit. I'm now going to take my biscuits and place them in the bottom of my eggs. I'm now going to place them in the fridge to chill while I make my next filling. In my bowl, I'm going to mix together soft cheese, mascarpone, icing sugar, and then I'm going to sieve 1 tablespoon of milk chocolate cocoa powder, and 1 tablespoon of dark chocolate cocoa powder. But you can use any chocolate powder of your choice. In my bowl, I have some cold milk. I'm going to add some green topping and whisk it until it becomes thick. I only need 100 grams of green topping. So I've measured 100 grams and I'm going to add it in to my chocolate mixture. I've taken my eggs out the fridge. I'm now going to add in my chocolate mixture. I'm now going to take a knife and make sure the top of my egg is flat and even. I'm now going to put them back in the fridge to chill for 2 hours, or if you want them to set firmly, then leave them overnight. I'm now going to decorate my cheesecake Easter eggs. I have cut up some mini eggs in half. You can use normal mini eggs or any Easter toppings that you like. I'm now going to add some melted chocolate over the top. Thank you for watching this week's YouTube video. I hope you enjoyed it.